Alright guys, welcome to Math in My Kitchen. Welcome back. Today we're going to do some fluency things to help us build our number sense and our fluency in general with our math facts. And so we're going to start out by skip counting by twos. Now you guys know within a number the ones place follows a pattern. If you're starting with 0 and 2, it's going to be either a 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in the ones place. And so we know that skip counting is adding the same number over and over and over. And so if we're skip counting by twos, then we're adding 2 every time. Let me get a different color. So 0 plus 2 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12, and so on, okay? And so that's why we're able to go further than just 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, because we can think about the pattern that repeats, the 2, 4, 6, 8, and a 0. All right, so we're going to start with 2, and I have up to 50 here, but we're going to continue on to 100. All right, here we go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90, 92, 94, 96, 98, 100. And I know many of you, or all of you, can continue on further. 102, 104, 106, 108, 110, and so on. All right, now we are going to do a little activity here. I'm going to show a number using base 10 blocks. I'm going to give you time to think about it, and then I'll ask some questions. So this is just thinking about our number sense here. So, okay, what number is this? The answer is 17. One group of 10 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you subitized, you may have seen 2 groups of 3 and 1 more, or a group of 4 and 3 more, which is 7. So 17. How many more do I need until I reach 20? You might be thinking 17 in your head, 18, 19, 20. I know that I can have 7, 8, 9, 10, but we know when we get a group of 10 ones, we have to trade it in for a group of 10. So now I have 10, 20. All right. What is this number? How many groups of 10? 4. How many ones or how many extras? 2. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42. 2 less than 42 is easy, right? Take away your ones, 2 ones, and you have 4 groups of 10 left. How many more, if I have 42, how many more until I get to 45? I can put 42 in my head and count on 42, 43, 44, 45. Or I can think, well, I know I have 42, 2, and how many more make 5? 2, 3, 4, 5. So 45. You would need 3 more to get to 45. I'm making it dark. Oh, that's so great. Can put that in. All right. Okay, let's do one more. All right. All right, here's a number. Definitely looks like a larger number than the other ones I've done. All right, so I see 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. 8 10s and 9 1s makes 89. Well, let's see. One more than 89. One more than 89 would be a group of 10, right? I have 9 1s, one more. So one more than 89 would be 90. One less than 89, so I take one away. So I have 4 and 4 here, that's 8, so that's 88. Here's 89 again. 10 more than 89, 89. One more 10 is 9 10s, so 99. Now I have 9 10s and 9 1s. Okay, back to 89. 10 less, I have 8 10s. 10 less than 89. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 and 9. So 79. All right. Okay, let's see. Moving on to friends of 5. We're doing a lot of practice with fluency within 5 and within 10. So for this activity, I have 5 snap cubes in my cup. I'm going to roll some out and cover and the others will be covered. You have to say how many are under the cup if the total of all of them is 5. So you'll see one part and you have to tell us the other part to make that whole. All right, here we go. And I'll tell you how to say, it. All right. Oops. How many do you see? 4. How many under the cup? 4 and 1 make 5. Okay? Okay? How many do you see? 2. How many are under the cup? 2 and 3 make 5. Ooh, how many came out? 1. How many under the cup? 4. 1 and 4 make 5. How many came out? 0. How many under the cup? 5. 0 and 5 make 5. Let's see. How many came out? 3. How many under the cup? 3, 4, 5. So 2. 3 and 2 make 5. All right, this is a game that you can play with your family at home, and you can start adding it on to 6, 7, 8, 9, up to 10, and we'll be doing that as well. All right, before we get to the last couple things. All right. My first thing we're going to do is talk about our shapes here. Are these 2D or 3D shapes? Okay, they are 2D. They are flat shapes. This one is a square. This one is a rhombus. Sometimes we call it a diamond, a rhombus. This one, yellow one, is a hexagon, 6 sides. This one is called a trapezoid. The green shape is a triangle. This one I made into a rectangle. Good job. Okay, we all know we've been practicing our shapes throughout the year. Okay, I want you to tell me how many shapes have 4 sides and 4 corners. Remember, a fancy word for corner is a vertex, or more than one, you would have vertices. So how many out of these shapes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shapes, how many have 4 sides and 4 vertices? You can stop and pause if you'd like, or take time to think about it. All right, well, we know the hexagon doesn't have 4 sides. And we know that triangle only has 3. So let's take a look. Can you see it down here? Mm-hmm. Okay, you can. So let's see, we have a rectangle. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rectangle has 4 sides. A trapezoid, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Trapezoid has 4 sides. Let's see, a rhombus, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And a square, all sides are the same. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 shapes had 4 sides and 4 vertices. Next question about shapes. How many triangles did I draw if I had 12 sides? If I counted 12 sides, how many triangles did I draw on a piece of paper? Okay, you can stop this, problem solve it on a piece of paper, and then you can come back and start it again. So you want to try to figure out how many triangles were there if there were 12 sides. All right, so let's see. I have, where'd the marker go? Let's see. I know each triangle has 3 sides, so it's 3. Another triangle, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm up to 6 sides, but 2 triangles, and I want 12 sides. So I'm at 6 sides. Let's draw another one. What's 6 plus 3? 6, 7, 8, 9. Ooh, I'm getting close. I wonder how many more triangles I will need to get to 12 sides. 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, I've reached my total. Okay, so how many triangles are would there be if there were 12 sides that I counted? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 triangles. 4 triangles. All right. And the last question about shapes. How many, well, first of all, Harper had found some honeycomb that bees had made in their hive. Really, really neat. And we know that bees make perfect hexagons in their hive. And so, looking at that hive, how many hexagons did I see if I counted 18 sides? How many hexagons would there be? All right, so I want you can stop this and draw it out and try to figure it out. Remember, a hexagon has 6 sides, but I saw 18 sides. Okay, and if I saw 18 sides, I'm going to do the same thing. I know that each hexagon, whoops, that's going to be an octagon. Be careful. Okay, so that's 1, that's 6, plus 6. Well, 6 plus 6, that's a double. I know 5 and 5 is 10. 6 and 6 is 12. Okay, so 12. Let's draw another one. So this would be actually a 12 here. We're trying to get to 18 sides. So 12, in my head, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Oh, 18. So how many hexagons were there if there were 18 sides? There were 3 hexagons in that piece of honeycomb. All right. Good job, everybody. You're doing great. This activity is in your packet that you took home. You can choose to do it on just the regular piece of paper. I found a screen protector to put it in. You will need to do this with a partner. And you can use a paper clip if you have one around the house, and like a pen or a pencil or something. And so partner A would spin the first spinner, and partner B would spin the second spinner. And you're going to want to get your and make cards, because we're adding right now. We're practicing our addition. We're practicing combining 2 sets. So You can also get your counters. If you want to use your red and white counters or beans or other things that you guys have been using. And partner A will spin the spinner. So like this. I'm going to do it this way. Okay, I landed on 2. So I would say 2, and partner B would spin. Partner B goes 3. Show with the counters. You could do this on paper, you could draw a picture, whiteboards. 2 and 3, and we would have to say together what 2 and 3 make. 2 and 3 make 5, okay? You would do it again. Now you would switch. Partner B would do the top spinner. Partner A would do the bottom spinner. Put your counters out and make your number sentence. You can also use your number cards as well. If you don't want to do counters, you can do the actual numbers, okay? So this is to practice building fluency, writing number sentences, and practicing your math facts. All right, the last thing is the problem of the day. All right, the other day we had Mary has 10 horses. 2 horses have spots. How many do not have spots? I saw so many different videos from you guys. You did a great job. I saw some students just draw 10 horses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They gave 2 of them spots. 1, 2, 1, 2. So these 2 had spots. How many did not have spots? And then they counted up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So because 2 and 8 make 10. I saw some girls use counters to show how 2 were over here with spots and the rest were over here, the 8 with not spots. I saw somebody do counting on. They said, well, if we have 2 already with spots, then the rest will be 10. So they went 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and got to 8. I even saw somebody do a number bond to show how they knew. They had 10 here because that's the total number of horses. 2 had spots. How many did not? And they showed that as 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, which is 8. Okay? So great job. Our new problem of the day here to practice within 10. Sloan picked a bouquet of 10 flowers. 4 are red. How many are not red? Okay. This is optional. You can send a video or a picture of your work. You girls have been doing awesome with this. We'd love to see what your brain is doing. Remember, you want to show what you know and show us how you got your answer or a way to prove your answer. Okay? All right, that's all for now. I'll post materials and any other links on the Power School Learning, and you guys are doing a great job. Happy to see you. Happy Monday.